Hello everybody, happy Thursday. So I wanted to remind you today that you deserve more gold stars. Yep, gold stars. You heard me right. Remember those things that we used to get when you were a wee little tot and your teacher or whoever, your mom, your auntie, would give you gold stars when you did something great? Well, I want to remind you that you deserve more gold stars. And why am I telling you this? Well, funny story. Because when I used to teach, hi Monica, welcome. So when I used to teach group fitness classes back in the day in person, I would say to my students, yay, good job, gold star, gold star. And I thought one day, oh my goodness, wouldn't it be kind of funny if I brought some gold stars in for my students? So keep in mind, these are all adult professionals. I bring in a sheet of gold stars one day to my group fitness class. And at the end of the class, I said to everybody, guess what? You all get a gold star today. So welcome everybody. Let me know in the comments if you remember the gold star stickers back when you were just a little one. Sorry, I'm a bit wobbly. I'm trying to hold on to things here. So do you remember the gold star stickers and how happy they made you? So there I was teaching group fitness class back years ago in person, and I brought a sheet of gold star stickers to my class. And so my students, I was like, guess what? I have a surprise for you. And I told my students, get in a line as they were leaving the class. And I put a gold star sticker on each one of these grown adults' hands. Like on their hand, I gave them a gold star. And you should have seen the way they lit up. Like, we are talking seasoned professionals, like amazing graphic artists, really talented professionals that literally when I put a gold star on their hand, they turned into the 5-year-old version of themselves. So excited, so grateful, so playful, so celebratory. And so what it made me realize is when I started giving my students gold stars, that it really allowed them to be celebrated. It really gave them that affirmation of like, yeah, I did something good. I did something awesome that totally deserves to be celebrated. And now I have a tangible proof of that, right? So when we're adults, we have a hard time celebrating ourselves. And especially for those of us that are high achievers and for all of us that are entrepreneurs, we're driven, we're going for it. We are led by that like force, right? And let me know if you can relate to that. Led by that force and drive and soul and your spirit that's like, keep going, keep going. And in addition to that, you might be kind of led by the shitty committee in your head that's like, oh, you got to do it better. Keep going, make it better, da, 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 da. So why am I telling you this? Because when I saw how lit up and joyful and excited and happy that my students were when I gave them a gold star, it made me realize how powerful this tool is. As such, I give them to all my students now. All my students in the Elevate program have learned to give themselves gold stars for being so amazing. Because here's the thing, we need to remember to celebrate yourself. You've done amazing things in your life, and especially in 2021. So let us know some of the amazing things that you've accomplished in 2021 that you're going to give yourself a gold star for. Because here's the thing. If you go charging into 2022, letting your shitty committee in your head, you know, that negative voice that's like, oh, well, that was a flop, or blah, 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 dictate how you set your vision for 2022, how you create your goals for 2022, then you're setting your goals from your mind. And you're not setting your goals from the heart space, from the feeling, from the joy, from the celebration, from the excitement that you could set them from if you pause to celebrate yourself. Pause to celebrate yourself. Get into the energy of all the wins, all the growth, all the learning that you've had in 2021, and then move forward into 2022, because you're not only dialing down the negative voice in your head of the shitty committee, but you're tapping into your inner guidance, your inner sage, your elevated self that knows the way, that has the answers, that is that energy of joy and excitement and gratitude and fun. So let me know if that resonates for you. Let me know if you're going to give yourself some gold stars this year. And I would love to invite you to the free Breakthrough into 2022 workshop happening December 15th, where we're literally going to do that. We're going to give you some gold stars. We're going to celebrate your wins, all the growth, who you've become because of this last year, and then create your big vision for 2022 and really begin to embody that version of yourself now. So I would love for you to join us. It's totally free. It's happening December 15th. I'm going to drop the link for you to sign up, and make sure to save your spot because it's going to be a game changer. And I want to give you gold stars. I literally love giving people gold stars. It lights me up so much. I'm going to give you some more right now, actually. But let's celebrate all your wins and then move forward from that place of celebration. So I'm going to drop the link. See you soon. Have an amazing rest of your day. Take care, everybody. Join us for the free workshop on December 15th to break through into 2022. Take care, everybody. Aloha. Bye-bye.